My real job this morning is to be introducing Peggy Carr. But I think because we're sponsoring this, AIR is sponsoring this conference, it gave me some latitude to say some things about AIR first. But the real reason I'm here is to introduce Peggy, and I think we all know it. So I'm going to ask the audience, how many of you really know a lot about PIAAC? I bet you all know more than I do, don't you? Yep, good. So I'm going to cut out that paragraph then, where I tell you why PIAAC is so important. And I'm going to skip ahead. This is a conference that's an opportunity for all of us, though, to have an impact. At AIR, we understand especially well the significance of PIAAC. The same topics that PIAAC covers, education, health, literacy, and workforce, are those that AIR has been committed to for almost 70 years. Our mission is to conduct and apply the best behavioral and social science research and evaluation toward improving people's lives, particularly the disadvantaged. And I think most people in this room have a similar mission when they think about their work. AIR's prior work has contributed to the body of knowledge that supports PIAAC's vision. This all goes all the way back to 1960 when AIR started Project Talent. How many people here know about Project Talent? Oh, good, there are fewer, so now I can tell you something you don't know. Good, we're good. In 1960, AIR began to collect information that could link skills with educational experiences and workforce outcomes at the national level through the work of Project Talent. Project Talent was instrumental in revealing the factors both within and beyond the school system that influenced students' educational attainment. It also transformed the field of aptitude testing and led to increased understanding of the connections between certain identifiable skills and career successes later in life. This was a survey of 400,000 students, high school students in 1960. The data are available. In case there are any funders in the room, we are looking for funding to continue to work on this. But we've been successful actually in collecting information as a follow-up at this point. AIR experts also played a role in developing the assessment instruments and conducting the data analysis and reporting for the National Assessment of Adult Literacy. AIR's analyses provide policymakers and workforce development professionals with a greater understanding of the connections between literacy, education levels, language barriers, and economic and employment status for four populations: non-native English speakers, young adults, female recipients of public assistance, and incarcerated adults near release from prison. And today, we're proud to help support PIAAC and to be a part of the international conversation. The alignment of PIAAC's focus and our mission makes me especially proud to have helped sponsor this event. And I shouldn't say me, it makes AIR proud to be involved in this event. Special thank you to NCES and the AIR team, and you've already mentioned them, for making the event possible. Now, the good part, I get to introduce Peggy. So I have the privilege of introducing Dr. Peggy Carr, who will give the keynote address this morning. Dr. Carr is a teacher and leader in the area of statistical data collection, analysis, and reporting. She served as chief statistician at the U.S. Department of Education's Office of Civil Rights, where she oversaw the application of statistics and survey methods in the field of discrimination, conducted legislative compliance reviews, and responded to complaints. It sounds like a CEO's job. All right. She was a research methodologist at Howard University's Statistical and Research Computer Laboratory. She was also an adjunct professor at Howard University, teaching doctoral courses in statistical computing, quantitative research methods, and qualitative research methods. At the National Center for Education Statistics, Dr. Carr first served as Director of Analysis and Reporting in the Assessment Division, and then as its Associate Commissioner. She's now the Acting Commissioner of the National Center for Education Statistics. During her tenure in the federal government, she has won the Meritorious Executive Rank Award for sustained superior accomplishments in the management of programs. She's also been honored by President Obama for her contributions to the National Center for Education Statistics. So with that, I bring you Peggy Carr. Thank you.